Ever wondered if a smartphone under 24,000 rupees could truly deliver on performance, style, and practicality? Meet the Vivo Y300, a sleek, mid-range contender promising a lot. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. The Vivo Y300 catches your eye right away with its clean and modern design. It's lightweight, weighing just 188 grams, and incredibly slim at 7.8 millimeters. Available in striking colors like titanium silver and emerald green, the diamond starry finish on the back adds a premium touch while resisting fingerprints. Despite using a plastic composite frame, the phone feels sturdy and durable. It's even IP64 rated, offering some resistance to water and dust. You can confidently use it on a drizzly day without panicking. The 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display is a treat for the eyes. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling and animations feel buttery smooth, whether you're gaming or browsing. The 1800 night peak brightness ensures excellent outdoor visibility, and the slim bezels make content consumption immersive. While the lack of HDR certification might disappoint movie buffs, the overall color accuracy and sharpness are impressive for its price. Powered by the Snapdragon 725 chipset, the Vivo Y300 handles everyday tasks with ease. Social media, multitasking, and even light gaming run smoothly thanks to its UFS 2.1 storage and up to 8 GB of RAM. Benchmarks show stability, though the chipset may feel slightly underwhelming for heavy gaming. For most users, the performance is more than adequate. Plus, Vivo promises 2 years of OS updates and 3 years of security patches, ensuring your phone stays relevant longer. The Vivo Y300 features a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. In daylight, photos capture decent detail, natural colors, and balanced HDR. However, zooming beyond 2x causes a noticeable drop in quality. Night photography, on the other hand, struggles with detail and noise. Portraits are hit and miss, with inconsistent edge detection. On the selfie front, the 32-megapixel front camera fares better, delivering sharp images in good lighting. However, in low-light scenarios, selfies can appear overly smooth due to aggressive skin smoothing. Video enthusiasts will find the maximum recording resolution capped at 1080p, 60 FPS. While the footage in daylight looks decent with good colors, the lack of 4K and weak stabilization might limit its appeal for vloggers. The Vivo Y300 packs a 5000 mAh battery, which comfortably lasts a day of moderate use. Paired with the included 80-watt charger, the phone can go from 0 to 100 in around 40 minutes. That's a big win for those always on the go. Running on FunTouch OS 14 based on Android 14, the Vivo Y300 offers a clean and user-friendly interface. However, you might encounter some pre-installed apps which can be removed easily. Dual 5G support ensures you're future-proof for faster connectivity. So what makes the Vivo Y300 stand out in a sea of mid-range smartphones? Its design and display undoubtedly shine, offering a premium experience at a reasonable price. While its camera performance and chipset are decent, they're not groundbreaking. If you value style, quick charging, and a solid display, this phone might just hit the sweet spot. What do you think of the Vivo Y300? Is it a game changer in its segment, or just another mid-range phone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Stay tuned for more insights and comparisons. Until next time, take care.